Too much. Keep your presentations short.
No rain.
This is Naren, conquering communication with you all. Oftentimes, I see people send presentations or present at a forum where they have so much content in the presentation that the audience is not able to take back any message or a great learning from that presentation. It's not because they weren't informed or it wasn't a lot to teach that they had. It's just because there's too much for the brain to retain. So what you got to make sure is your presentation always must have 3 maximum to 5 takeaways or key points, so that when you're summarizing your presentation, the audience has a few takeaways and they feel like they learned something and they're taking back something. Because if you offer too much, it's just too much to choose from and they don't know what to take away, leaving a bad impression or not an effective presentation. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video.